Hello guys, I have so many plastic toy animals over here. As you can see, shark, dinosaur, so many beautiful animals. So guys, I will put all this into this tub and this tub. Let's start guys. Shark, I'm a shark. And wow, dinosaur, look at this beautiful dinosaur. And wow, tiger, spider, dinosaur, jaguar, giraffe, crocodile, shark, dinosaur, cow, cockroach, octopus, green chameleon, buffalo, frog, horse, rhinoceros, deer, whale, sheep, lion, giraffe, camel, starfish, tortoise, elephant, spider, gorilla, duck, dolphin, sea lion. This is a sea lion guys. And wow, brown bear, dog, whale, panda, cheetah, ant, octopus, and many animals guys. So guys, so many animals in water tub. Like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye guys.